Ready to bring your ideas to life without breaking the bank? In 2025, 3D printing is more accessible than ever, with budget-friendly machines delivering professional-grade performance for beginners, hobbyists, and creators. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers under $500. From user-friendly starters to high-speed powerhouses and large-format giants, these printers offer incredible value for every maker. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Creality Ender-3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is a standout in the budget 3D printer market, combining affordability, beginner-friendly features, and professional-level print results. Designed for newcomers and hobbyists, it builds on the iconic Ender-3's reputation while adding automation, faster setup, and refined mechanics to make 3D printing easier than ever. Weighing just 7.8 pounds, the open-frame design is compact and stylish, perfect for desks or workbenches with limited space. Assembly takes under 10 minutes. Just attach the gantry, screen, and spool holder, and you're ready to print. The CR Touch auto bed leveling system uses 16-point probing to ensure an accurate first layer every time, while the strain sensor fine-tunes the Z offset dynamically during printing for consistent results. The Sprite Direct Drive Extruder ensures smooth filament feeding for PLA, PETG, and TPU, offering versatility for various projects. Dual Z-axis lead screws connected by a timing belt provide rock-solid stability, especially for taller prints, reducing wobble and layer shifting. Its 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters build volume accommodates most everyday projects, printing at 180 millimeters per second and peaking at an impressive 500 millimeters per second for simple shapes. Pros: near instant setup with minimal assembly, CR Touch auto leveling for perfect first layers, Sprite Direct Drive Extruder for versatile filaments, and large community for upgrades and support. Cons: no Wi-Fi connectivity for remote printing, open frame limits high-temp materials like ABS, and slower than Clipper-based competitors. Number 2. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro is an absolute speed machine for makers who demand high performance without spending a fortune. Preloaded with Clipper firmware, this printer is designed for serious enthusiasts who want to produce detailed prints quickly and efficiently, making it a top choice for both prototyping and artistic creations. Weighing just 9.9 pounds, the Neptune 4 Pro features a sturdy gantry and frame, with straightforward assembly completed in around 20 minutes. Its 64-bit quad-core board paired with Clipper firmware enables advanced functions like input shaping and pressure advance, allowing it to print at sustained speeds up to 250 millimeters per second and burst speeds of 500 millimeters per second for simpler designs. This capability dramatically reduces production time without sacrificing quality. Its lightweight dual-gear direct drive extruder and all-metal 300°C hot end can easily handle PLA, PETG, TPU, and even nylon, offering remarkable material flexibility at this price point. 4 auxiliary fans provide excellent cooling, ensuring crisp details and clean overhangs, while its segmented heat bed warms evenly across its 225 by 225 by 265 millimeters build volume. A 121-point inductive leveling sensor automatically maps the print bed for precision, and the 4.3-inch magnetic touchscreen provides smooth, responsive navigation. Pros: Clipper firmware enables 500 millimeters per second print speeds, 121-point auto leveling for consistent results, lightweight direct drive for versatile filaments, and segmented heat bed saves energy. Cons: noisy cooling fans during operation, Clipper settings may intimidate beginners, and requires tuning for optimal high-speed prints.
Number 3. Creality Ender-3 V2. The Creality Ender-3 V2 is a tried-and-true workhorse that remains a favorite among beginners and seasoned tinkerers. Known for its reliability, affordability, and huge modding potential, the Ender-3 V2 delivers consistent results and offers plenty of room for customization, ensuring it remains relevant even in 2025. Weighing 7.8 pounds, its sturdy all-metal frame includes a hidden power supply for a cleaner look and a convenient built-in tool drawer for storing spare parts. Pros: silent motherboard for quiet operation, carborundum glass bed for easy print removal, huge community for upgrades and support, affordable and reliable for beginners. Cons: manual bed leveling is time-consuming, slower print speeds than modern competitors, and limited out-of-the-box automation. Number 4. Sovol SV06 Plus. The Sovol SV06 Plus is a dream machine for creators with big ideas, offering a massive build volume at a price that still sits comfortably under $500. Ideal for large props, prototypes, or full-scale models, it delivers reliable performance in a size class few budget printers can match. At 11 pounds, its i3 style frame is reinforced with dual Z-axis lead screws and independent motors, ensuring exceptional stability for tall prints. While its print speeds are slower than Clipper-powered competitors, and its large footprint requires significant desk space, the SV06 Plus's sheer build volume, material compatibility, and print reliability make it a standout choice for makers who want to think big without overspending.
Pros: massive 300 by 300 by 340 mm build volume, planetary direct drive for versatile filaments, auto leveling for reliable large prints, textured PEI bed for easy print removal. Cons: slower than Clipper-based competitors, large footprint requires ample space, higher power consumption.
Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max is the ultimate budget-friendly giant for creators aiming to produce life-size models or large multi-part assemblies in a single print. Combining Clipper-powered speed with an enormous build volume, it's built for those who want to go big without breaking the bank. Weighing 18.1 pounds, this machine features a reinforced frame with dual Y-axis rails and hardened gantry rods to maintain stability over its massive 420 by 420 by 480 millimeter print area. Although its size demands a lot of workspace and its cooling fans can be noisy, the Neptune 4 Max delivers exceptional performance for the price. Tuning is needed to fully unlock its potential, but for ambitious makers, it opens up possibilities that smaller machines simply can't match. Pros: huge 420 by 420 by 480 millimeters build volume, Clipper firmware for 500 millimeters per second speeds, 121-point auto leveling for precision, Wi-Fi and touchscreen for easy control. Cons: large footprint and high power draw, noisy operation due to cooling fans, and requires tuning for optimal performance. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first printer or a seasoned maker ready to tackle massive builds, these top 5 budget-friendly 3D printers of 2025 prove that high-quality printing doesn't have to cost a fortune. From compact workhorses to large format giants, there's something here for every creator. Check the links below for today's best deals.